What's up, guys? Today, as far requested, 10 million people asked for this, we're making homemade cereal. And okay, I know what you're gonna say. Adin, 10 million people didn't ask for it. Okay, it's okay to round 9,999,764 to 10 million, alright? People do it all the time. But let me show you how to make some cereal. Alright, so I asked you guys, I said, what do you want me to make next? And you know what? Someone said cereal. And may have been a joke, maybe it wasn't a joke. But you know what? No joking around with me, buddy-o. So today, we are making some homemade Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, homemade, pretty good stuff, eh? Alright, now this is going to be extremely easy, probably second easiest recipe we've done yet. Easiest would still be the eggs, because I was just eggs and some seasoning. But like, besides that, this one literally super simple and easy. So here we go, let's start this off. Alright, so we're gonna start off with opening the egg whites. Alright, so I forgot to shake. It says shake well on the thing. So, we're gonna start off with 4 cups of egg whites. Now, which I'm just finding out now is exactly 1 container of egg whites. Alright, perfect. Now, take this 4 cups of egg whites and spill it everywhere, because somehow gravity changes mid-pour. So let me clean this up real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, now we're going to take 8 pieces of bread, because this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so we need the toast. I'm just gonna smush that on in here. We're gonna need to blend this up real quick. Let's put on this cap and get this boy blending. Green tea. Okay. Now we got this all mushy, texturally, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna start adding the rest of our stuff. Okay. We're gonna start off with half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Remember, we gotta make this taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so we gotta make it very, very vanilla-y. Actually, let's go with a full tablespoon. I'm gonna add a full tablespoon of any sweetener you like. I mean, sure, you're probably just gonna choose sugar, but I want to do like honey crystals or I don't know. You can do that. We're also going to do a full tablespoon of ground up flax seeds. If you don't have this, you can use cornstarch. I didn't have cornstarch, so that's why I'm using this, to be honest. But you didn't need to know that part. Add this on in, and then here comes the cinnamon. We're just going to do 4 spanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty nice, eh? Now, let's get this blended up again. As you can see, texture is still pretty soupy. Smells just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch though, not gonna lie. So, we need to let this chill in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. I'm probably just gonna do 30 minutes because it's already 10:10. I'm getting hungry, buddy. While I do that, I'm gonna clean the kitchen, because you know what? We're being productive up in here. Come on, efficiency is key, people. So, let's put this in the fridge and I'll see you in 30 minutes, okay? Alright, I have this not mustard container and I filled it up with the batter I made. Then we're gonna spray this pan and do it one by one. It's gonna be tedious, but you know, hopefully it'll be worth it. By the way, the pan is on medium heat. We're gonna let them get nice and toasty on one side, flip them, and then repeat until we're all done with all the batter. Okay, and one more thing you can do after you flip it is just sprinkle a little more cinnamon on it so you get more of a cinnamon taste. All right. So here, as you can see, we got all of our little cinnamon toast soft crunches. I don't know, some of them are crunchy, they're not all. Put it in our little bowl. I got some almond milk because I'm lactose intolerant, so milk does not sit well in my stomach. Pour it in. Give you guys a little taste test. Alright, so here I got my cereal spoon. Tastes just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And so it's not just me. I'm gonna have my little brother taste test it and tell you what he thinks.
It just tastes exactly like it. This is amazing.
Yeah, let's get some specific words here. Give a review.
Cinnamony.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But this one is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This one is kinda like pancakes, but it's still cereal. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch.